You are chosen for beautiful things.
What up, my good people, and welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here, my name is Charmaine, and as you can see from the title, in today's video we'll be doing a flaxseed gel mask. Now, flaxseed gels has a lot of amazing benefits to it that you can utilize for your hair. For me personally, I'll be using it for the moisturizing properties that it has for your hair, without it, having all the heaviness and the dryness that comes with a lot of other products. But that's what I'll be using it for. But you can use this as a curl definer, which is lightweight. So if you want to do like a braid out or a twist out or a wash and go, you can make this and do it for that. It does have scalp health because of the omega-3s. It is an anti-inflammatory property, which can soothe dandruff and itchy scalp, which I suffer from, but we'll get into that in another video. It does add shine and softness. It strengthens hair growth environment, which nourishes your hair follicles, which help reduces shedding. So it does have a lot of great, amazing benefits for your hair. Now, girl, I did make a video of me creating this product. I don't know where it went, so we just gonna work with what we have. Now here, my hair is washed right now, so you just see me wetting it and then applying it again. I'm just doing this as a mask, so I'm just gonna leave this in my hair for about 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it out. But I do want you to just kind of pay attention to what it's doing to my hair. So I'll just jump back in a little later once that's complete.
Nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof, I touch, put up a guarding. Count to 10, lion's den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire. Fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold day. Cold day. Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray, dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Cause I would rather be running away. I would rather be running. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away. I need to get away now. I need to get away now.
Stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. I think I see like the top down. Oh, it's what's my way to live right now. So it's not wasting another day. Come to find out to season. I think I see like the top down. Time. Almost lost my mind a couple times. It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cop car. Benny's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city. And I ain't worried about it. Come to buy.
Okay, girl, so this is what we looking like straight from up under the dryer. I sat up under the dryer for about 30 minutes, And you could just see my hair is dripping wet from the moisture and the hydration that the flaxseed mask provided to my hair. You can already see the shine and all of the things, so I'm just going to go ahead and rinse that out, and this is what we're looking like. I didn't go in with another deep conditioner or anything. I just strictly rinsed it out and then came to show you what it looks like. Now you can see my pattern. In certain places you can still see those stringy pieces, but overall I felt as though that this mask did what it was supposed to do to my hair. It added the shine, it added the moisture, it added the softness. My hair was very soft, even though I am still transitioning. Even my ends were soft, which I did appreciate. Now I do recommend that you go ahead and try this out for yourself, for your hair, to see how it works out for your hair. But overall, 10 out of 10 recommend, and I did love it for my hair. Everything that I needed, all of the benefits it provided to my hair. So this is going to be the end of this video. I do appreciate you watching to the very end. As always, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Later, girl.